everybody, welcome back to my channel. I know I'm looking all crazy, took my twists out, and I got this cap on and all that stuff. But that's because I am here today to give you guys a wig review. The wig that I'll be reviewing is from Atozwig on Amazon. And this is the wig that I will be reviewing today. As you guys can see, it is a pink wig and it is synthetic. But I will be sure to leave all the information down below in the description box. Usually you guys know when I do a review, I give you all the information that I need. But I'm filming on my phone right now and I didn't write down any of the stuff because I literally just got this wig today. This is the second wig that they asked me to review. The other one I will be reviewing very soon. But once again, here's how the wig looks. As you guys can see, there's no clips, breathable cap, and adjustable straps in the back. But it's not lace front or anything. It's just a regular wig, which I'm kind of about. I did try it on earlier. I didn't too much like how it looked. So we're gonna see if we can work something out. Now, before I get into it, this hair does shed. I brushed it earlier and this is from the wig, all this hair. So the hair does shed, but once again, it is synthetic. So really, what do you expect? Now, as far as the color, it's different. I do like the color. It's pink, so it is pretty cool. But as far as it, they said it's a realistic hairline, but I don't know, when I put it on, it just looked crazy. So let's go ahead and put this on and see what we can do. So these flowers. So here is how the wig looks straight on my head. No baby hairs or anything. So it is a really pretty color. It's a pretty pink. And as you guys can see, I did do my makeup to fit this wig. So I didn't film this look. So if you guys do want to see this look, I will film it for you guys. But I'm gonna go ahead, get off camera for a minute, add some powder in this middle part, maybe play around with it, see what I can do with it, and then I'll be back. All right, so this is how the wig is looking. I had cut a little bit of hair trying to make some baby hairs. Y'all know I'm still a beginner with the wig, so I try my best to make it look neat for my liking. I did put some powder in the part and I put a little foundation because for some reason my powder wasn't trying to powder up. So I didn't plug anything, but I just made a couple, just a baby hair right here, and that's about it. So the wig is like right here, length. So once again, I'll be sure to leave all the information down in the description box, but this is how the wig is looking. Okay, I could take some good pictures from this side. So yeah, it's not too bad after all. I would more so wear it with this side part because I just couldn't get it with the middle part. I just couldn't get it. So yeah, like I said earlier, it does shed, but of course that's synthetic. It is a nice pink color. I do like the color. I'm not a huge fan of it, honestly. I don't hate it, but I'm not a huge fan of it. But I mean, I got it to kind of work for me for this video. So You guys let me know down below how you like this wig. Do you like the color? You think I can pull it off? Like, let me know down below. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys have any questions, be sure to leave me a comment down below and I will try my best to answer them for you. Make sure you guys check the description box where all the details will be about this wig from Atozwig on Amazon. I do appreciate Atozwig for reaching out to me to help promote and review 2 of their wigs, and this is 1 out of 2. So thank you again. That's pretty much it for this video. If you like this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and share. And of course, if you are a new subscriber, welcome. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell so you would not miss a new upload from yours truly. Once again, hope you guys enjoyed the video and I will see you in my next one.